Good morning students. I welcome you all for today's online session of SST class 3. So we have seen different oceans, lands, map, globes. Till here we have completed. Now today you will open your textbook page number 13. Page number 13 of your SST textbook. We will see different landforms on earth. Now see students, first come here on this point. I have told you our earth is 3 parts water and 1 part land, as our earth is 3 part water and 1 part land. Now this 1 part land is divided into different land forms. This 1 part land is divided into different land forms. So today we are going to see the different land forms of our earth. Now from the name only you can understand what is landform. First I will make you clear what is landform. All of you know land and forms. So see, divide in this 2 part, land and forms. So different forms of the land is called landforms. So understood, landforms of the earth. Now we are having different types of landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus, desert, hills, valleys, island, coastal plains, earth plains, different. So we will see it one by one. So let's see first mountains. So now on page number 14 and 15 a beautiful image is given. With the help of this image you will learn the different landforms of the earth. Now what is a mountain? Now a mountain is a highland with a mountain peak. Now all of you know mountain. Can you see these mountains? Yes. So a land which has come high, okay, with a pointed peak is called a mountain. So a highland with a mountain peak is called a mountain. So can you see this mountain? Okay. Now what is a peak? So this highest point, this tip of the mountain is called a peak. Now see here, this white color I have mentioned, it is a glacier. Now what is a glacier? A slow moving mass of ice formed by the piling up of snow on mountains. Now see, this is a small ice. What it is? Small moving mass of ice, and from here the rivers start to flow. So it is called a glacier. A small moving mass of ice formed by the piling up of snow on mountains. So this is a, so many mountains are snow, full of snow, and this small moving mass of ice, and from here rivers start flowing, it is called a glacier. Understood? Now see in this image, I have told you what is a mountain. Can you see this? These are the mountains. Okay. So mountain is what? A highland. Now see, from this land it has come here high. So a highland with a pointed peak. Pointed peak, it is the highest landform on earth. Mountains are the highest landform on the earth, and many mountains are the sources of river, as ice and snow on mountains melt. Now see, this is a mountain, this is a snow mountain, and when this snow melts, so it converts into rivers. Can you see rivers? So many mountains are the sources of the rivers, means rivers originate here, and they become the sources of rivers. Now see here glacier. Can you see on this mountain? A small moving mass of ice found by piling up of the snow, and also it is made up of snow on mountains, and this is called as glacier. So understood, these are the mountains, this is a peak, this is a glacier. Okay. Now next, plains. So what we have seen? Mountains, peaks and glacier. Now next, plains. So what are plains? The flat areas on the earth's surface. The flat areas. We are standing at your home, in school, everywhere, these flat areas on the earth's surface, this flat surface is called plains. In plains also we have one more subpoint, that is coastal plains. Now all of you know oceans. For example, I have drawn here. This is the ocean. Okay. And near the ocean, these flat plains are there. So the flat plains near the oceans are called coastal plains. Now see students, plains. The flat area on the earth's surface are called plains. Now this is the flat area. See, flat area, and these are the plains. And now these are the, for example, suppose oceans. So near oceans, the plains near oceans, means near oceans, these plains are coastal plains. What are they called? Coastal plains. Understood? So mountains, peak, glacier, plains, coastal plains. Then plateau. What are plateaus? Broad flat land higher than the plains. Now I told you what is a plain. A plain is the flat areas on the earth surface, and on this earth surface more flat land is coming upside. Okay, broad flat land higher than the plains is called plateau. Understood? Now plateau. What is a plateau? A broad flat land which is higher than the plains with steep sides. So see, this is a flat area and a broad flat, means from here this has come upside. Broad flat land which is higher than the plains with steep. Now what is the meaning of steep? Steep means a slope that rises high and falls sharply. It is called a steep. So with steep sides it's plateau. So this is the image of plateau. Hope you all have understood it. Okay, thank you. Good day. Take care.